By default, Google Forms restricts access to people within your organization or requires sign-in. Now, if you want anyone to fill out your form without needing a Google account, you need to change the settings, and here's how to do it. The first step is to open your Google form. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com or workspace.google products.forms and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Now, once you log in, you'll be directed to your Google Forms accounts dashboard. From here, click on settings. Once you choose the form you want to make accessible for everyone, click on settings and then turn off under responses. Let's go under responses, click on the three dots, and here you can turn off collect emails addresses so people don't need to log in, and turn off restriction to users in your organization, and turn off limit to one response per person so multiple users can fill the form. The third step is to get a public link, and to do that you're gonna have to click on publish here and click on save, and after that click on the share button and make sure you change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, and the responders view from restricted to anyone with the link, and copy the responders link. And as you can see, the link is copied in the clipboard. The fourth step is you can embed the form on a website. You can do that by clicking on the three dots here and click on embed HTML, and you can click on copy so you can copy the iframe code. And once you copy the iframe code, you can paste it into your website or blog. The fifth step is to share the form via QR code. You can also use a free code QR code generator to create a scannable QR code. Just go and search for QR code generator. Let's search for it on Google so this option, this error doesn't appear. QR code generator. And once you find a website, the website apparently is down for now. You can choose a website, and once you copy and paste the link, you paste the link here and get into URL. The QR code will be generated, as you can see here. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now anyone can access your Google form without restriction. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.